Hello what's up friends, I hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to tell you about 10 most amazing and sensational reasons why you should switch to Telegram from WhatsApp. Today's video is going to be very interesting, so without wasting time, let's get started. The first reason is file size. As you know, you cannot send video on WhatsApp whose size is more than 16 MB. But here in Telegram, this feature is very awesome because you can send video whose size is up to 2 GB, that is 2000 MB, which is absolutely stunning. The second reason is on WhatsApp you can add maximum 256 members on WhatsApp group. But in Telegram, this value is insane because you can add up to 200,000 members on Telegram group. Like 2 lakh members, isn't it a huge value? You can easily promote your businesses through this huge members group. The third reason is you can also give your Telegram ID to someone you do not want to give your phone number, as they can find you through your Telegram ID without having your phone number, which is one of the most catchy thing about this app. But in WhatsApp, if you want to let someone contact you on WhatsApp, you have to give him or her your phone number. But in Telegram, you have freedom about this as Telegram gives you option of user's ID as well. All you have to do is you want to go to Telegram, then click on these 3 lines, then go down a little and tap on settings. Then from here tap on username and give your username. I give username suppose outstanding tech. Then tap on tick and yeah, my user ID is created. The fourth reason is unlike in WhatsApp, you can customize your themes and display of chat in a very pleasing way. All you want to do is you want to type on these 3 lines, then go down a little and type on settings. Then from settings type on chat settings. From here you can customize your chat display. Like these are amazing options you can use. I want to click on classic option. You see display have changed. Let me see other options as well, like day, dark, night, etc. You see it is very cool, isn't it? Let me select my favorite black option. You can also change color of text icon from here, which is also a very interesting feature of this app. The fifth reason is you can use silent message option, like if you want to send someone message silently. Suppose if you think the person you want to send message should not be disturbed and receive your message without any beep sound, then select this silent option. Let me show you how to do it. Suppose I want to say hi dear to my friend. All I want to do is I want to type the message like hi there, then tap and hold this send option. Then from here select send without sound. In this way the receiver will receive your message silently without any beep sound, which is not offered by WhatsApp. You can see this option only in Telegram. The sixth reason is one of my favorite. I hope most of you will also love it as you can send pictures etc. without compression. For example, in WhatsApp, if you want to send pictures, the picture will be compressed and to reduce its size, which eventually distorts or reduces quality of image. But in Telegram, you can share your media, pictures etc. without compromising their quality, which is one of the most cool features about this app. The seventh reason is you can have your secret chat option, which is end-to-end encrypted and your conversation will be secured. All you want to do is you want to type on this pen and from here tap on secret chat and select person you want to start secret conversation with. A unique feature about this app is you can create your own channel and you can share anything you want. You will never find this cool feature in WhatsApp. I mean, this is insane. All you want to do is to type on these 3 lines and from here type on new channel. Suppose I want to create a new channel here. I want to give it the name Outstanding Tech. Now I write a description about my channel. We share latest technology content here. Then from here I tap here. Now you have 2 options. You can make your channel both private or public. The channel is created. The ninth reason is unlike WhatsApp, Telegram will never share your personal private data, and in Telegram your data will be safe and secure. That's why a lot of users are switching to Telegram from WhatsApp, because a lot of people love their privacy. The 10th reason is since WhatsApp may in future show ads, as WhatsApp business is ad-based, which may annoy you. But in Telegram, there are no ads, so you won't be annoyed by ads. These were some stunning features of Telegram. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. Which feature you loved the most? Let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching the complete video. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching the video. I hope it was helpful to you. If it was, smash the thumbs up button and you don't forget to subscribe and also share with your friends.